Location YouTube channel, we are back, you guys. Got 50 minutes before they close. All right, starting with the Shoe Palace. Starting with the Jordan wall right here. Got some interesting stuff. Spizak lows, they just released these bad boys this week. University blue colorway, 160. 160 for these, mostly nubuck upper. And these are on sale right here. These are cheaper than the Nike clearance store. 120 for these. We saw these on sale at Chic. Now we're seeing them on sale at Shoe Palace. 120, not bad. And then dude got the 13s. And this one, I like that one, dude. I really do. And then of course, dude got the 6s going for $2. Got these mids with a really, really nice material right here. Man, that's like Jordan 1 OG material right there. And then dude got these that I did miss out on, $210 for these. On these Jordan 1 highs on sale as well, $120. Okay. Jordan 312, the Legacy 312s on sale, as well as 11 low IEs. Okay. And dude got the waffles right here, the waffle dunk lows, one of the better dunk lows. I got the pandas, all that type of stuff. This is one of, I don't know if it's technically one of the SCs, but it feels like one of the SCs. Way better material. And coming up with more and more dunks. Damn, music loud as hell here. What's going on here? What the hell? New colorway of the LeBrons that I've never seen before. These are definitely interesting. $210 for these. Don't really know this colorway though. Man, like how that color changes, kind of crazy. And then Ultra Boost, just hella cheap, $70 freaking dollars. They got these right here, the Ultra Boost 2021s go for $90. Got them in all white, going for $90 as well. $140 for the classic black on white. NMDs right here. Women's 550s. And then also do got these Jordan 1 low OGs. Man, the UNC to Chicago go for $80. This is size 6 on display. Wow. Then is this the Marathon Continues one? I think this is $30 for these bad boys. It's a women's size right here. Okay. Almost all white Forces, not really. Does have a little bit of black on there, but look, $80. Does have a great outsole right there. Women's Air Max 1s right here, down to $80. Not bad. Blazers, not too bad. They had some pretty decent sales last time. Of course, we gotta check it out. Curious to see if any of the prices went down. That was G3 brand right there. I think this is a start. Oh no, this is a Mitchell & S. Mitchell & S jacket go for $100. More G3 brand right there. Love that starter Mitchell & S up top. Oh, that's all starter stuff up top. And then they still have stuff right here, 75% off. Some of the older Dodgers jerseys. Some of the players that aren't with their teams anymore. Got Raiders right here. Waller jerseys, 75% off. But they do have certain things that you can still get. Look at this right here, $32. These are all 75% off, so definitely worth it. You know what I'm saying? Like, Bet's shirt might be worth it. I think it's worth it. You know what I'm saying? I think I just broke a hanger. I barely touched it. What the hell? Some weak ass hangers. So some Babies merch right there. Babies Clipper stuff. 75% off. Not bad. Got t-shirts on this side. Got Rams merch and stuff. These are all $5 now. 2 for $10. These used to be $10 last week. We got 2 for $10. Not bad. Got Shoe Palace right there. They had a resale shop. Still closed. They still have merch inside, which is interesting. You know what I'm saying? They still have sneakers right there. They got the Jordan 3 Dornbeckers right there. Been meaning to make a video about this. Just this in general of having your sneakers at a resale shop for consignment and stuff. Kind of scary right now. T-minus 30 minutes before they close. You know it's good when they literally have nothing in the case. What the hell? More and more colorways coming for these MB03s or MB3s. Not too bad. Hey, what are these going for now? 125. still think this one is just one of the more interesting colors. Don't see this type of color, like just colorway in general. This still reminds me of the neon 95s. I like the color. I like the color combo though. I do like it. Some of the Converse basketball sneakers on sale. Are they still worth it at this price? Like, I don't really see myself buying this type of Converse. Man, they do got them on sale though. Do got them on sale. What are these? The BB prototypes? Basketball prototypes, I guess. Is it me, or have these mother lovers been on sale forever and they just haven't dropped at all? Like, really? I'm just waiting for them to drop. One of the homies I saw had these, got them on sale like at the clearance store, the outlets or something, and then he got the Angelus paint and he painted all of it black. That was definitely interesting. Got new Forces coming out, and material on these, I'm telling you, way better than the all white. Using like some retro material on this one. Like, look at that, looks so freaking nice. It's like an interesting material too. Yeah, I thought that was just regular leather or something, but no, not really. Got two different colorways, $135 for those. Still got the Fear 3s. Pro Standard jackets, Pittsburgh Steelers jackets on sale. These are normally $130, so almost 50% off. Not bad, not bad. What brand is this? Oh, are they bringing out their own one? The Alpha Industries. Okay, this is actually really dope. But yeah, $229. I've never seen this one. $229 for these. Oh, it's a new era, right? Yeah, see, it's a new era. Okay. $110 for this new era jacket right here. Regular price for that one. This is dope. This one is nice. Pro Standard. I just can't pay regular price. $100 for that. Got a few more stores. Let's see if I make all of them. They do have one of these things. I don't really see anything that appealing though. That's rare, dude. Get to what I'm wearing. Pegasus Turbos. Did get these in a women's size 12, I believe, because they were just way cheap. I think I got it for like $35, $40, something like that. To be able to get Zoom X for under $40, kind of ridiculous. Man, super comfy. Then hoodie with a few Lakers things, you know. $20 Mitchell & Ness shirts. I freaking love getting Mitchell & Ness for so cheap. Are seeing a lot of sale signs. A lot of stuff that we've seen though. The Web Boost, Ultra Boost webs right there. $80. The Lakers colorway right here of the KB ones, aka Kobe ones, aka Crazy ones. And do got that ice color right there. Also got Lakers gold right there for $120. Foot Locker did have these for $100. I bet you this is on sale and they don't have it marked. I have a feeling it is. Do got, what are these, the twos? Oh, the Curry ones. Retro of the Curry ones. And it is on fire. That's dope. That I've said it numerous times. Dope that they're bringing back retros of those. These are going for $150. That's the first time I've seen that colorway. Do got some Club C's right here. Super soft. You know, that's your thing. Checking out the women's section. What is? I don't even know what model this is. This looks comfy as hell. It's some sort of NMD. Looks comfy as hell. $80. Okay. Not on sale here. I feel like it's on sale everywhere else. Every colorway of the MB 1s, 2s, and 3s. Damn, even the gold one's on sale now. Black one, you really can't go wrong with all black. Got a little splatter paint on it too, which is pretty dope. Digicam will go for $70. Cheapest we've seen those. And then if you're buying one of these here at one of the flex stores, hopefully you got one of the survey coupons too. I have like 3 survey coupons pending because I haven't really bought stuff too recently. Do got these. This is a Cheetos collab. I did not know this is a Cheetos collab, or Hot Cheetos collab, my bad. Hot Cheetos, everybody loves Hot Cheetos. Like, is there a better flavor of chips? Not really. Hot Cheetos, one of my favorites. But yeah, $110 for those too. Okay, not bad. Puma Hoops doing something a little different. I like that. Like it. Nike basketball got LeBron's on sale. Look at this, $50. $50 freaking dollars. Just getting rid of And Kyrie's, like I've been saying this, it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. $100. These have gone up and down in price. They've had them down to like 40, 50 bucks, and then back up to 100. And y'all don't want them, right? So why wouldn't these just be clearance out? I don't understand. JD then Chic, I think that's it. Dang it. They do got every variant of the latest Vomero 5s right here. Got kind of like a burnt orange type of colorway. Got a cream one right here, go for 160. And University Blue right there. Then we've been seeing a comeback of the P6000s go for 110. Got these in numerous colorways as well. Like a chrome look. This one's $120. The New Balance root. Don't really see sales on New Balance lately. 2002s right there, 1906. Do got the 9060s. Do got this one colorway. This is the only one on sale, dude. So $25 off of these 1906s. And then none of the 574s on sale either. I had a few different colorways, but yeah, none of them on sale. And then a couple of 550s. I've never really been a fan of these. I know hype went up super high, and then now it's just a regular sneaker now. KD16 colorway I've never seen before. Got a little chrome. I'm sure it's not real chrome, but got some faux chrome on it. $160. Like I said, I've never seen that colorway. So it's black in the medial side right there, and then got chrome on the lateral side. And it even has a little cover for the chrome. Keep it nice and clean. Then the LeBron's on sale almost everywhere now. I do see some apparel on sale. Look at this. This jacket, like a really lightweight puffy jacket, $20. $20 got Adidas. I'll see, this is a fleece pullover. Normally $50 down to $20 as well. And they have a bunch of the house brand stuff on sale, go for just way cheap. They got Nike stuff on sale in between here and there. Yeah, Nike hoodies right here, 80 down to 45. Mitchell and shorts for women, 85 down to 45 right here. I think this is a women's, right? Yeah, that's a women's jersey right here. 55 for that one. The women's are slightly tapered and stuff. They have like the crop top ones too. This ain't one of those. That's a medium. And then the Sonati jackets, $20. 35 for these. Holy cow. Even the North Face puffy jackets right here, 130 normally, $2. Nike poofy jackets, 145 down to 85. All right, I did not make it to Chic. And look at this. This resale shop's closed too. And it was closed last time I walked by. So man, I'd be very cautious if you guys wanted to put stuff on consignment at any of the resale shops. Dude, I'm gonna make a separate video about that. And the mall is closing up, but it's not like they just closed up. That cell phone fixing store, they closed up. I think that one's closed. So some of them are closed, but that resale shop, it's been closed for a while now. I forget about this corner spot right here. They do have an Orange Julius. Oh wait, I came here to go to the restroom. Yeah, I forgot this is the only Dairy Queen around. This is the only place you can get a Blizzard. I forgot about that. Yeah, next time I come to the mall, I'm gonna have to go grab a Blizzard here, dude. Dang it.